Let's start. The project name is the job scheduler. Let's see the project structure. We have set up the view binding at the app level build.gradle file. Here we have the main activity and a myJobService class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. In the manifest file, we have mentioned the myJobService class. The permission attribute is set to bind job service. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have two buttons, Schedule Job and Stop Job, and text view where we display the updates from the job scheduler. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the myJobService class that extends the job service class. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, we create an intent that will be used to send a broadcast to the main activity, which will carry some data along with it. In the onStartJob function, first, we show a toast that a job has been started. Then we configure an executor service and a handler to start a background thread, as the job service always works on the main thread. In the executor service background thread, we start a for loop and use the iteration value as the data. And simultaneously, we send a local broadcast to the main activity and send the data along with it. In the onStopJob and onDestroy functions, we handle a Boolean variable that is used in the for loop to stop the job service. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. When the Start Job button is clicked, we configure a job like this. We can use various attributes like requires charging, network type, a periodic attribute that schedules a job periodically, persisted attribute which schedules the job again when the Android device is restarted, etc. And this is how we schedule a job. When the Cancel Job button is clicked, this is how we cancel the job. This is the broadcast receiver that receives the data from the job scheduler and posts that data in the text view. In the onResume function, we register the broadcast receiver. In the onStop function, we unregister the broadcast receiver. Let's run the app. I have started the job scheduler. Now, every 5 seconds, the job scheduler will display its progress on the screen. So that's it. That's how you can implement a job scheduler in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.